Hello, my name is Basavaraj. I am currently pursuing my final year engineering degree in computer science at Saram Vishwesvaraya College of Engineering. I have spent last few months as an intern at 3QI2603, focusing on a network security and infrastructure. I have prepared this presentation to show you how we can use the routers and switches to create a secure automated business network. Hi, everyone. I am going to explain you about my project, 6 router network with a secure segmentation. I have planned this project in a Scrum by the Asana where I had divided this project into five phases. In the phase of project initiation and proposal, these are the working days of phase one. In phase two, project planning. In phase three, project execution and implementation. In phase four, monitoring and controlling. In phase five, closing the project. I built a large scale network for a company. I used six main routers and 18 switches to link everything together. Mapped out all 24 devices would talk to each other. I planned three separate zones so different departments don't see each other's private files. I used IP address to create a different teams. VLAN 100, VLAN 200, VLAN 300. They're all IPs, and these are the gateways. I linked all six routers together, so creates a backbone, so that an office in one building can talk to an office in another building. DHCP configuration. I didn't want to manually type addresses for 360 computers. So I set up a DHCP server. It's like an automated office that sends out a digital ID to every computer that the moment it's plugged in. Implementation and execution. I configured the high speed cables. I made sure that single one cable could carry data for all three teams without getting data mixed up. Testing and validation. I used a tool called ping. It's like an shouting hello from a one computer to see if the other one shouts back. I confirm that every part of the network can hear the others. Troubleshooting and methodology. I performed troubleshooting. I checked for loose wires and I made sure that auto ID system was working perfectly for everyone. I verified that network is 100% stable. Every computer has its correct IP address and data is moving very fast. Security and implementation. I created a security guard called an access list. Because we organized the IP address into a different streets, the guard know to block someone from general street. If they try to enter the management office, key achievement. I simplified the network so six locations can be managed from a one spot. The network is now smart. It automatically finds the best path for data. Project completion summary. The project is finished. All 24 devices are working as one secure high-speed system. Diagram. This is the final diagram. This is the working diagram. To create this, you need to arrange the uh, routers. To arrange this, you should take router 1941. Take router and drag like this. Mm, and go to switches 2960 like that. You can connect the routers by this wire. It will automatically connect. To connect PC, go PC like this. You should select the PC and you should connect like this. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರಾಗ VLAN ಅಲ್ಲವ ಬ್ರೋ. Same goes for all the routers. To connect another one router, add and just connect like this. By this, you can make this diagram. So the network has a 6 routers connected in a ring. Each router also has a 3 switches underneath it, and each switch is connected to the pieces in total 6 routers, 18 switches, and 60 pieces per side on three on a whole server. Now I will show you the configuration in the switches for connecting the VLAN. Go to switch and select exit, exit, enable, configure, terminal, VLAN for VLAN 100, name VLAN 1. Sorry, VLAN 100, name VLAN 1. For VLAN 200, VLAN 200, name VLAN 2. For VLAN 300, name VLAN 3. Assigning the access ports, for example, VLAN 100, you just need to interface range F0/1 minus 10. I am giving the 1 to 10 ports for VLAN 100. Now for switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 100. Now we should do same for VLAN 200, 300. Interface range F11 to F0/11 to 15. Switch port mode access switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 200. Now for 300, interface range F0/16 to 20. Switch port access switch port mode access mode access switch port access VLAN 300. Now I will show you the configure trunk to the routers. We just go to exit. For a trunk interface G0/1 switchport mode trunk. This is for trunk and layer 3 configuration. Routers on a stick. I will show you on the routers on a stick. To do this, you just need to go to the routers, exit, exit, enable, configure, configure terminal. You just need for logical interface we created on routers to handle inter-VLAN routing and DHCP relay server. For an example, router sub interface and DHCP relay setup. Interface by Ethernet 0/0.1. Now in capsulation dot 1Q 100. Now it is ready and just need to add IP address. IP add in 92.168.2.65. 255, 255, 255, 192. Now we need to add helper address IP helper address 192.168.2.2. Now we should do same for another root terminal. Exit interface view terminal point 200. We need to change helper IP. No, for this it is the same. And last for win 3 93 helper IP is same. Now close it. For dynamic routing development, RIP v2. RIP v2 version was implemented across the 6 router mesh to ensure all network segmentation could communicate across the backbone. For an example, RIP configuration. Never configure router RIP version 2 network 192.168.2.0 6.0. No, how to I have set everything with the VLAN database VLAN 100, 200, 300 and configured. For gateway logic router on a stick, we have did sub interfaces for routing RIP to V2 convert and IP management. We have set an IP helper to act on sub sub interfaces. We have completed the work. Now we have completed all the work on here. Now I will show you the working of this diagram. Mm, Now we should choose VLAN method. It is showing successful. The project is completed. Let's check another one time. You should see the VLAN. It is successful. Our project completed successfully.